now I'm going to show you guys how I did this. When I take one strand of the hair, I take it and I divide it into 2 pieces, and this is going to be done for all of the big hole areas except for the middle at the top. For the smaller areas with the smaller holes, that part will use 3 pieces of hair, but for these areas I'm going to separate the hair into 2s. And I'm simply just putting the hair into the latch after pushing the latch through the hole, and I'm closing the latch and I'm going to pull it through the hole. And after I pull it through, I'm going to take it and I'm going to turn the latch. You're gonna see me twist it right there, and the hook should be downwards. As you can see, I'm gonna take the latch hook off of the hair and I'm gonna pull the hair through the loop, and I'm just gonna pull on it and it will be secured. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it one more time so you guys can get a better view of how it's done. But just remember to twist the latch hook once you pull it through the hole.
I love you. Can't you see there's no other girl above you? What a wicked way to treat the boy that loves you. Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. So down, they don't love you like I love you. You know what it is, girl, we back up in this thing. Money stay in my pocket, girl, I'm like a walking bank. Tell me what you drink, tell me what you think. If I go get these bottles, we go alcohol and tank. Cause I know what you want, but you're not gon' get it. That's enough for sure, got you vibing with me. You do what you want with somebody else. I'm gone, baby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day, have to pick up on a mail. Armand and Trey be riding through the streets, they be like, they go on, 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 on. Ain't selling me out. I blocked your gram and your Snapchat, so how the fuck you gon' find out? I come in at 6 in the morning. When I'm done, fucking with all of these bitches.
Okay guys, what is up? You guys just watched me make this wig, so now I'm about to put the wig on myself so you guys can see how it came out. First thing first, I have my hair pulled back into a ponytail, so I'm not gonna be putting on a wig cap just because I don't want you to be able to see the cap through the hair. So if I use a cap like this, you're going to be able to see it. If I use a cap like this, you're still going to be able to see it, probably just not that much. But just so that it blends well, I would suggest using a black cap or just having your hair like this. So I'm just going to leave my hair, and I did apply 2 combs onto the wig. On the sides, I applied 2 combs. I showed you guys the combs earlier. So let me put this on now. And I did make sure that I positioned the clips close to my ears. They're currently positioned like right above my ears. Let me go back a little bit so you guys can get a full view of the hair. Okay, so it's like a really full and all in my face, so we're gonna have to fix that. All right, okay, so I had to put on my little satin robe because it's a little cold in here, but yeah, this is how it looks. So if you pull it back, you can clearly see the cap and everything. That's not gonna matter because it's just, you're not gonna be able to see it, so that's not a problem. So I'm gonna have a big scissors with me to customize this wig. But first, before we start cutting, something that you should do is you're gonna take your fingers and glide your fingers through the entire hair, because there's loose pieces that need to be pulled out. So this is a time where you would go in with your hands and pull them out, but do not pull too hard if you see something is not coming out easily, because you can actually stretch the hair since it's synthetic hair, it's not real human hair. So just glide your fingers through to get any loose hairs out. And you see I have some right here.
I'm a FaceTime Ryan, I'm a text Lorenzo, and I'm a leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game.
Okay, this is all the hair I've taken out so far, and trust me, there's more. You're just gonna have to keep going through. Now let's get to cutting. I want a bang, so I'm gonna position it.
I turn into a savage boy, don't ask me why. Ask me why.
That is like perfect. Now we're gonna layer it down.
But I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, just a friend. Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you never lose me. Steady claiming that everyone know we together, but you steady choosing. Swear I cannot wait for you.
And if you can't get a good view of the back, then I would suggest putting it back onto the wig cap and customizing it on there, which I'm probably gonna do, but I also have it on my phone so I can see how it looks from the back.
Hey, yeah. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb and entertain these dudes. I'ma ride them crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything.
Okay, so I kind of like the fullness, so I really don't want to cut off too much, because I like the fullness that it's at right now. I'm just trying to frame it a little better.
You don't like it, now you're telling me that I should fight it. Why you be out here playing the victim when I am the one who been crying? Why this shit up, I can't take it. I want revenge, you can't fake it. Wanna see the look on your face when I drop my clothes and I get naked.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut it a little bit more off camera. I still think I need to do a little bit more cutting, but I'll do that later. Right now I just want to show you guys how I'm sorry, I'm just seeing different parts that need to be cut because the mirror is right in front of me. But yeah, right now I'm going to show you guys how to make it look natural and to like hide any of the cap in the front, because as you guys know, like the front you can see the cap. So I'm going to show you how to hide that, like if you live in a place that's windy, or if the day is just windy and you want to know that if the hair blows that you're not going to see the cap. So one thing I would do if it's like a light windy day, I'd simply just take the elastic, this is the elastic band, and push it under. Let me try to let you guys see. I kind of flip it under. Just flip it under right there, you see? And right there you can easily just pull out some hair if you want to. You can pull out some hair around your edges if you want to cover that and to make it look presentable if your hair blows, you know? You can do that. Like that's one option. My hair is like in a straight state, so it's not gonna blend. But yeah, that's one way. I love it. I love it. I really do. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments of this crochet wig. Also, let me know if you guys like to see more wig videos like this of me creating these type of wigs. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.